Is your Kia Soul backup camera showing a black screen just when you need it most? Statistically, 70% of these black screen issues are caused by simple connection failures rather than a dead camera. Let us walk through the diagnostic steps to bring your display back to life. Start by power cycling your head unit and checking your fuses before moving to physical hardware inspections. The most common culprits are a corroded tailgate harness or a loose module connector caused by everyday road vibrations. If the hardware is fine, you might be dealing with a software freeze or a broken signal wire inside the dash. Simple cleaning and resets can often save you a trip to the shop, but internal wiring faults require professional attention. Costs vary wildly depending on whether you are cleaning a sensor or replacing the entire camera module. If you decide to go deeper, keep a multimeter and trim removal tools handy to safely access the wiring. Always remember to disconnect your battery before working on electrical components to avoid blowing any sensitive circuits. A systematic approach to diagnosing your Kia Soul backup camera usually finds the fault in under 30 minutes. If these steps don't work, it is time to consult your local dealer or a specialized auto electrician.